friends, welcome to my channel. Nowadays kids are not able to focus in their studies. They are not able to concentrate in their work. All the time they are busy with their gadgets, their computer, their mobile. So I have come up with some innovative ideas which are really going to help your kids. You want to have a look? Let's see. Hello everyone. So I am ready with new activity and today I have selected so many activities for you. But before doing the activity, meet my friend. She is Adira. And she is going to do the activity with me. Okay, without wasting time, let's start the activity. Name of first activity is Find Me. Can you see so many numbers are there? Yeah, in this activity, each number is written with different colors. Like one number is written with red. So Adira is going to find out where is 1 and she is going to circle with the red color only. Okay Adira, you do your work. By the time she is doing the activity, let's move to the second activity. But before moving, let me show you. Wow, Adira has completed her activity. Isn't it nice? Okay, let's move to the second activity. Name of second activity is number flower. In this, child has to use this sticky notes. On this sticky note, dots have to be drawn according to the number as shown in the clock. So Adira, you are going to do the dots. She has dotted all the numbers on the sticky note. Now she is going to stick this sticky note on the flower according to the numbers. How it is going to come out? Okay, let's see. It is going to be very beautiful. Adira has finished her work. Isn't it looking very nice? High five! Well done, Adira. Now let's move to the third activity. The name of our activity is Find the Path. Can you see one frog here? This frog has lost its path. वो अपना घर भूल गया है. अब उसे अपने घर जाना है. But there are so many hurdles in the path. अब वो अपने घर कैसे पहुंचेगा? So we found one solution. Adira is going to help this frog. ये जितने भी आप नंबर्स देख रहे हैं, इन नंबर्स के थ्रू वो अपने पॉन्ड में पहुंचेगा. Now, whatever number is there, she is going to pass this thread. Yeah, okay Adira, you continue with the activity. Let's move to the last activity. So children, already we have done 3 activities. Now comes the last activity. And the name of this activity is Complete this caterpillar. Can you see small caterpillars? Yeah. Child will make the dot according to the number and he has to finish the caterpillar. So children, see how beautifully she has completed the activity. Isn't it looking very nice? Okay, let's move to the last activity. In this, she is going to use her finger. Like 1 is written, she will put 1 dot in front of 1. Wow. Yes, in the second caterpillar, number 2 is written, so she is going to put 2 dots like this. Can you see how it is looking? Yeah, so she is going to continue with this activity. She will. Wow, Adira, she has done the activity. Isn't it looking very nice? Well done, Adira. So children, in total we have done 4 activities. Okay, this was about the caterpillar and first activity was find the number, second was number flower, third was find the path and the last one is complete this caterpillar. Isn't it looking very nice? So hope all of you enjoyed this activity. So children, these activities are really very helpful for the development of a child. This will help to do focus in their work, to increase their concentration. Even it is going to help for the imagination, for their creativity. अगर आपको ये एक्टिविटीज अच्छी लगी तो एक लाइक तो बनता है and also subscribe my channel. Next time again we will come with more ideas. Isn't it Adira? Yes. Yes. So and say bye bye.
Bye.